Wow, that was weird. Right when I clicked the camera off, another one came in.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fremont County, southeastern Mills County, western Montgomery County, northwestern Page County until 7 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large destructive hail up to tennis ball size and damaging winds of 65 miles per hour or higher. This storm was located near Emerson, or 34 miles southeast of Omaha, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour.
Oh, come on. Ah, son of a bitch. Oh well. I'm going to count that as an alert, I guess.